We're gonna fix that. I'm pretty proud of myself. Cool. Hey guys, welcome to heaven. Today's video, I'm trying out a new background. We're gonna just do like a blank white wall. And I don't know, I feel like this is really boring. I can't. Hey guys, what is up? It's Amy here, and today's video is going to be kind of different on this channel. I want to do more thrift flips slash videos where I'm actually like sewing things because I fixed my sewing machine. I've literally had it all school year, finally fixed it. So, oh my god, my hands were so ashy. Is that better? As I was saying, I really want to do more sewing videos now that my sewing machine is fixed. So today's first thrift flip is going to be some pants that I really want to alter to actually be able to wear because I love the print and I love like the pants themselves, but they're too big for me. So we're gonna fix that today. Let me go show you what I'm talking about. Okay, here are the pants. Oh my god. So here are the pants that I'm talking about. Oh, I have to move back. Okay, now you can see the naked lady on my wall, but we're all good. These are the pants that I'm going to be thrift flipping today. And as you can see, they're just plaid. They're like a dark red color. So this is like how big they are on me. It's not that much. This isn't gonna be too bad. But I feel like once I actually like fix them to be my size, like they're gonna be cute. And I don't have to fix or hem the bottom at all. Literally like almost like the same size. Not about to give myself more work for no reason. I'm just gonna try to change this whole situation. And the only obstacle that I see is a zipper that is on the side, so I can't just stitch up the sides. I think I'm just gonna take in the front and the back because there's no zippers there, and taking in the sides is just gonna cause a whole lot of problems. And I can't just do one side because they'll just look weird and scrunchy right here. Before we do that, I have to go get my laundry because it's been sitting there for like 2 hours. Let's go get that. Okay, so funny story. I actually didn't wash this shirt even though it's a little dirty, and the reason is I never separate my darks and lights. And what happened last time I washed everything was that a pink shirt that I had gotten turned another white shirt pink, and I love this shirt, so I didn't want it to turn pink, so I just didn't wash it. I was kind of curious to see if the rest of it, other things are turned pink, but looks like we have a white shirt that isn't pink, so I'll wash this with the next load that I do next week. I don't know how to adult yet, and I don't know how to do laundry correctly. Okay, so before we get back into the video, I just want to do another quick like life hack. So this used to be like a bottle of, it was some kind of sauce, and I ran out of it. So what I did was I rinsed it out, and then I put my laundry detergent in it because the actual full-size one is really big and annoying to kind of lug around while I'm doing laundry. So I just put it in this bottle. It's like nice and clear and aesthetic, and I put a label on it and everything. So this makes it so much easier to do laundry, and it also just looks cuter. With that being said, let's get back to the actual thrift flipping. Let's go. I think that looks good. Now that laundry is accounted for, I'm such an adult. It's time. So this is my sewing machine. I don't know if I've ever showed it on this channel, but it is Kenmore, I believe. I got this from Goodwill a couple years ago. I'm going to try and make these pants fit me. And this video is probably going to be a lot of time lapse, a lot of just like me doing things and then voiceovering it. Hello from another angle of my room. I feel like I've done like 10 of these today, but we're figuring it out. It's gonna be all right. As I said, we're going to be fixing these pants. So my goal is to take some in from the front and from the back so that it actually fits perfectly. The only struggle that I think I'm going to have is with the lining. That might be a struggle, but I'm just gonna kind of like start sewing and then figure it out from there. First thing that we're going to do is take out the label though, because I feel like that's just gonna cause problems for no reason. I don't know if I have a seam ripper somewhere. Found it. As you can see, my sewing basket is kind of a hot mess, and it's because I I don't really sew as much as I used to. In the over winter break, my brother got a sewing machine. If you didn't watch that video, it's gonna be up there so you can go check it out. I did like a thrift flip slash going to buy a new sewing machine, but it wasn't really for me. This is like my actual sewing machine. I feel like this is extra. I'm just gonna chop it off. No wonder it doesn't fit me. It's literally size 6 girls, I think. Dry clean as if. I'm gonna put the pants back on so that we can see how much I actually have to take in. This lighting is changing like crazy. Why did you die on me? I don't understand. Okay, so I just put them on and now I'm trying to figure out how much I need to take out from the front and the back to make it like lay flat. We can probably get away with taking in a little bit more from the back. So I'm gonna take out about this much. Put a mark on where I need to sew. This is like about where it should end. We're gonna make a triangle from like here to here and from here to here. This is basically what we're gonna sew. And in the back, it's gonna be the same thing. And I'm just kidding, not that cool. Okay, so turning the pants inside out like I should have done to begin with, I'm gonna just take the chalk and transfer everything from the front of it to the back because that's where we're going to actually be sewing. Okay, so I've decided that I'm gonna start with the changes that aren't as drastic because I can always add like more later. So I'm just gonna go with the smaller like decrease in size, and if that isn't enough then I'll just do more. Now we're just gonna sew it. I just knocked over all of my pins, which is really sad, but I do have the first stitching done and it looks pretty good. I didn't do a very good job at the end when I like finished it, but other than that, you can barely tell that I like put that together, like just casually looking at it. And I don't have an iron to iron it down, but I should probably figure it out. So next we're going to be doing the back, finish off the back and then try it on and see how it fits. I'm so excited. Okay, done with the second part, and now we have the reveal. Once again, it looks pretty good. You can barely tell that I like stitch it together, and it barely looks like a new seam. So doing good. And now what we're just basically going to do is try it on and see how it fits. I'm excited. You guys, this is wow. I'm pretty proud of myself. Okay, so as you can see, I'm not even holding it up, and obviously can't really even see the back, but in the front, like, it looks so good. This is pretty amazing. Like, this didn't even take that long. This probably took like maybe like 10-15 minutes of like actual sewing. The rest of it was me talking a lot. So that was it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I had a lot of fun transforming these pair of pants into something that didn't fit me and I couldn't wear into something that I could wear. So if you guys have any kind of like requests for things that you want me to see kind of transform, this was super simple. That's why when I wanted to start this series with something simple, which is why I just did some slight alterations to pants, but in the future I really want to do more cool things. So if you guys have a specific style or a specific clothing item that you want me to transform, then send in those requests. I'll have my Instagram and Twitter and Snapchat and all that down below, so you can reach out to me, and you can also comment down below. I think that must be the easiest way. But if you guys enjoyed this video, of course subscribe, and then also comment down below just your I can't talk. Comment down below your requests of things that you want me to transform. And I think that's it for today's video. I'll have more videos at the end of this that you can watch. So I'll have more video at the end of this that you can click to go watch. But that was it for today's video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.